I know you guys are like, what is this girl doing? So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look. I did one eye off camera so that we can speed this along, and I already did my base. I'm testing out a new foundation, so if you want to see what it is, check out my last video. And yeah, let's just get right into it. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So like I mentioned in my last video, I knew that I was gonna lose the little clear paper that came with this palette. I have it, it's in my room, but like it's just a hassle because it's not attached to here. I'd rather the shades just be on here, so I'm just going to point to them and hope for the best. So the first shade I'm going in with is this shade, and I'm using a R38 brush from Morphe, and I'm just putting that in my crease. I'm bringing this up a little bit higher than I normally would because I want the gradient effect to really show, because I'm using a lot of colors. Well, not a lot, but like a good handful. And I'm winging it out, so I'm bringing it just ever so slightly out in a V shape. With this same R38 brush, I'm going into this deeper kind of orange shade. Not really know how to explain it. I'm going to tap off the excess. And I'm just going to put that below this shade, starting with the darkest pigment, the most amount of color on the outer corner, and sweeping it inward. So because I have hooded eyes, I have to create like a crease that's not going to fold in. So that's why I'm creating the dimension and the depth on my upper lid, like right here. So it may look like it's going up pretty high for my normal crease, which is like here, but in all actuality, I'm just creating a little bit more dimension up here to create a new crease. I will definitely list the names of the shades down below in the description box when I get the clear paper and I can match them, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna point to the colors. So now that that kind of like transition kind of color is down, I'm going in with this pretty purple shade, and it's more so pink than purple. This is a Kylie blending brush. I don't know the name of it, so I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner and bring it up slightly. Look at that pigment, bitch. This palette is bomb AF, like bomb AF. I know, I thought they were gonna stop selling it for the holidays, but I'm pretty sure they still have it in stock. If you do not have this palette, sweetheart, you need this palette. You need to go get it. You need to go to Morphe.com and you need to pay that $32. I don't even know how much this palette was. My sister got it for me for Christmas, but you need to get that. Like, it's only right. Girl, I'm shooketh, and I've done this look already. I'm still shook. I'm going in with this deep purple shade here on the end with this So Susan brush. It's similar to a M433 by Morphe, but ooh, I was not about to drop that. It's similar to a M433 by Morphe, but it's a little more dense, and I'm going to pack it on this outer corner and sweep it in as well. Switch brushes. So I have a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going in with a M142 brush. And I'm just taking a little bit of that. I just wasted hella concealer because I didn't need this much. And I'm going to carve out my crease. So I'm gonna take this shade with my finger and pop it in the middle of my eye where we just put the concealer. Whoa. Can you pick that up for me? I'm going to place this on the inner part of my eye, and I'm going to place this on the outer part of my eye on this side. And then I'm just going to use this brush to do that. I hate that song, but now that you were just playing it.
What song?
What's the shit with Nicki Minaj and I have to stop sniffling, but just gonna do the same to my bottom lash line in the same order.
Stop chewing your tongue.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
So I did my lashes and my eyeliner off camera. I used my Inglot gel liner in the shade 77, and these lashes are from Coco Lashes in the style Queen Bee, aka Desi put me on, Katie put me on. So I'm gonna put this blue shade in my inner corner. I think this really gives the look a really nice pop of color, and I love the way it looks. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm using a...
There's more.
So for blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in the shade Feisty, this Tarte Amazonian clay brush. Then for highlight, I'm going in with my ever so beat up Carly Bible palette. yeah, this highlight, I'm gonna use it to the death of me, and this one clearly came off, so I'm gonna go in with this shade and mix it in with this shade and apply that to the high points of my cheeks.
Again.
I'm going to line my lips with this Jante Blue lip liner in the shade Spice. And I'm gonna go over top of that with this Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade 650 Nude Embrace. And I'm just going to dab that with my ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strip. I'm just gonna hit the center.
I have one bar. Plus the okay.
And to lock everything in, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So that is the completed look. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Remember, beauty is skin deep, and to always love yourself and others, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.